Welcome to Spyder, your trusted source for authentic numismatic information and historical currency analysis. Today, we are diving deep into the details of the 1999 Connecticut State Quarter, a significant piece from the United States Mint's 50 State Quarters program. This specific coin was the fifth issued in the series and honors the Constitution State with a beautiful depiction of the historic charter oak tree on its reverse side. As a collector, understanding the technical specifications and the historical context of this minting is essential for building a professional portfolio. We will examine why some of these coins are highly sought after by experts and how you can identify the specific features that distinguish a common circulation piece from a premium specimen. The reverse design of the 1999 Connecticut Quarter features the legendary charter oak, a large white oak tree that played a vital role in American colonial history. According to tradition, Connecticut's royal charter of 1662 was hidden within the hollow of this tree in 1687 to prevent its seizure by the English Governor-General. This symbol of resistance and independence makes the coin a favorite among history enthusiasts and patriotic collectors alike. The design was selected through a statewide competition and was expertly engraved by T. James Farrell. When examining your coin, take a moment to appreciate the intricate details of the branches in the stone wall, as these fine lines are often the first to show signs of wear. If you look closely at the obverse side of your quarter, just behind George Washington's ponytail, you will find a small letter P. This indicates that the coin was struck at the Philadelphia Mint, which is the oldest operating mint facility in the United States. In 1999, the Philadelphia Mint produced over 685 million of these quarters for general circulation. Because of this high mintage, most coins found in pocket change today are worth only their face value of 25 cents. However, the P Mint mark remains a key identifier for specialists who track population reports. While millions were made, only a tiny fraction of that total has survived in pristine, uncirculated condition, which is where the true numismatic value begins. The 1999 Connecticut Quarter follows the standard technical specifications for modern United States quarters. It has a diameter of 24.26 millimeters and a total weight of 5.67 grams. The composition consists of an outer layer of 75% copper and 25% nickel bonded to a core of pure copper. This clad construction has been the standard since 1965. When analyzing your coin, it is important to ensure it meets these physical standards, as any significant deviation in weight or size could indicate a mint error or a counterfeit. Professional collectors often use digital scales and calipers to verify these measurements before submitting a coin for third-party grading to ensure the piece is an authentic government minting. In the world of professional numismatics, the condition of a coin is the primary factor in determining its market value. Most 1999 P quarters found in circulation are graded as about uncirculated or lower due to the scratches and dings they receive in daily commerce. However, coins that were taken directly from original mint bags and preserved carefully can achieve high mint state grades, such as MS66 or MS67. According to the Professional Coin Grading Service, known as PCGS, specimens that reach the elite grade of MS68 are exceptionally rare. These high-grade coins are valued by registry set collectors because they represent the finest known examples of the mintage, showcasing full original mint luster and nearly perfect surfaces. To understand the true rarity of a 1999 Connecticut Quarter, we must look at the population reports provided by reputable grading services like PCGS and NGC. These reports track exactly how many coins have been certified at each grade level. For example, while hundreds of millions were struck, the number of coins certified in MS68 condition might be fewer than 20 or 30 in total. This extreme scarcity at the top of the grading scale is what drives competitive bidding at major auction houses. When a coin is documented as a top pop or finest known example, it moves from being a common currency item to a rare numismatic treasure that is highly prized. When discussing the value of the 1999 Connecticut Quarter, it is vital to rely on realized auction prices rather than speculative listings. Platforms like Heritage Auctions and Stack's Bowers provide public records of what buyers have actually paid for these coins. For instance, a common circulated 1999 quarter is worth exactly 25 cents. An average uncirculated specimen might sell for a few dollars. However, an MS-68 specimen, certified by PCGS, has historically sold for over $500 in professional auctions because of its perfection. These prices are not based on the coin's age, but rather on its rare state of preservation and the demand from collectors who want the best possible example. Beyond the standard grade, the 1999 Connecticut Quarter is also famous for various minting errors that occurred during the production process. One of the most visually striking errors is the Broadstruck error. This happens when the coin is struck without being properly seated in the retaining collar, causing the metal to expand outward and the rim to disappear. Another valuable error is the off-center strike, where the design is only partially visible on the planche. These errors are not common and are highly sought after by error specialists. If you find a coin that looks distorted or has a missing rim, it could be a genuine mint error that carries a significant premium over its face value. Collectors also keep a sharp eye out for smaller varieties such as die cracks and die chips on the 1999 Connecticut Quarter. A common area for these minor errors is within the branches of the charter oak tree. When the hardened steel dies used for minting begin to wear down, small cracks can form, which then appear as raised lines of metal on the finished coin. While these minor varieties generally do not command the high prices of a major off-center strike, they are fascinating to study under a magnifying glass. Documenting these small differences is a great way for new collectors to learn about the complexities of the minting process and the life of a working die. If you believe you have a high-grade 1999 P Connecticut Quarter or a rare mint error, proper preservation is your top priority. Oils from your skin can cause permanent staining or toning on the surface of a copper-nickel coin, which can lower its potential grade. Always handle your coins by the edges and consider using lint-free cotton gloves. Storing your coins in PVC-free flips, cardboard holders, or hard plastic capsules will protect them from environmental damage and physical scratches. Maintaining the original mint luster is essential for any coin you hope to have professionally graded in the future, as the surface quality is the most scrutinized aspect of a coin's final score. For those who find a 1999 P Connecticut Quarter that appears to be in flawless condition, the next step is third-party certification. Sending your coin to a reputable service like PCGS or NGC provides a guarantee of authenticity in an official grade. This process involves a fee and shipping costs, so it is usually only recommended for coins that have a high probability of grading MS-67 or better. Once a coin is slabbed in a protective plastic holder with a certified grade, it becomes much easier to sell at a fair market price. Certified coins offer peace of mind to buyers and ensure that you receive the maximum value based on the current numismatic market. Thank you for joining us today on Coin Spyder to explore the fascinating details of the 1999 P Connecticut State Quarter. We hope this educational breakdown helps you look at your pocket change with a more professional eye. Now we want to hear from you. Have you ever found an error coin or a particularly shiny state quarter in your daily transactions? Do you have any questions about the grading process or the history of the charter oak design? Please share your thoughts and findings in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this factual look at American numismatics, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.